to do a quick review. The brand Sturion sent this to me, and what this is an adult-sized bib. So to help collect food, prevent your clothes from getting messed up, and then even at the bottom there's a crumb catcher. So it's advertised for adults, so great for seniors or those with any kind of disability, or just if you are dressed up and you want to keep your clothes neat. Let's say you're headed off somewhere but you're eating and you want to just make sure everything stays nice and clean. It's very comfortable, it's adjustable, and it comes in many different sizes, but it just attaches with Velcro. The inside fabric is really soft. It's kind of like a towel, like a terry cloth type, but it's breathable. It's not constrictive or anything like that. It doesn't wrap around, so it's not going to wrinkle your clothes. But again, this one is the long one. So it's great to catch food, keep your clothes clean, or if you're just eating crab legs and you want to make sure that you stay clean, this would be great.